If you are trying to find a solution to import EML to PDF format, then stay connected with us. This video gives you a safe and secure solution to convert EML files to PDF file format. Now, let us understand firstly, what is EML in PDF file? An EML is a preferred format for email messages stored by email programs such as Microsoft Outlook, Mozilla Thunderbird, Apple Mail, Incredimail, Microsoft Entourage. It contains email and their attachments in a separate EML file. On the other hand, PDF stands for Portable Document Format, which can contain text, images, fonts, hyperlinks, videos, attachments, etc. The PDF file format was introduced by Adobe. It allows documents of any length to be saved with any number of fonts and images. The PDF file is specially designed for creating ebooks, etc. There are some reasons that insist users to convert their EML files into PDF format. Some of them are given below. Save EML file into PDF document to access it offline. PDF is an independent file format that is easily accessible on any system. PDF file used as evidence report, and for forensic purposes. PDF offers a feature to secure the data with password protection and signature. PDF can be opened by any text editor and accessed by all users. Let's know the solution of how we import the EML file into PDF format. Before implementing this solution, you have to install the MS Outlook application on your system. Now, follow the steps. Right-click on the EML file and open it with Outlook. Go to the File menu and tap on Save As. To save the file, choose HTML format on the desired location. Right-click on the saved file and choose Word. Go to the File menu, and click to Save As. Select the PDF format to save the EML file. If you follow all these steps carefully, you will be able to convert your EML files to PDF file format. But what if this manual method doesn't work? Then continue with this video, because there is also a professional solution that is helpful. Before knowing the professional method, it is necessary to know the limitations of manual steps. Unable to convert the file with attachments. Multiple EML files cannot be converted at the same time. Data loss issue. Time-consuming process. There is plenty of software available in the online market, but the SysinfoTools EML Converter tool is one of the best software that easily exports EML files to PDF format and other 15+ file formats without any hassle. Able to work smoothly on all versions of Windows. The tool has a simple and easy GUI. Export the emails with all attachments. The tool supports bulk conversion of EML files. Convert EML files in multiple file formats such as PDF, PST, OST, HTML, MSG, EML, MBOX, etc. Export EML files to different email clients like Gmail, Yahoo, Thunderbird, Office 365, Opera Mail, Zoho Mail, IMAP, and Hotmail. Now, to convert an EML file into PDF online professionally, follow these steps. Firstly, download and run the SysinfoTools EML Converter tool. Click on the Select File or Select Files/Folder options. Select the EML file from the system and click on the Open button. Check the folders from the tree structure that you need to convert. Then click Next. Choose PDF format as a saving option from the drop-down list. Remove the duplicate mail option to delete repetitive emails from the selected folders. Save in the same folder option saves the file in the same folder. Save PDF attachment separately option will save the PDF file separately in a specific folder. Migrate or backup emails without attachments option takes the backup without attachments. Check the mail filter option to assign the date range. Give a name to the resultant folder by selecting the custom folder name option. Choose the saving format, and provide a path to save converted files. Click the Convert button to initiate the conversion of EML files into PDF. Here, you are also able to download the report of the migration.
Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.